Hi everyone. In this data science field, there are a lot of unanswered questions like, is master's degree really required to get into data science? Or do I need to have experience to get into an entry-level data science role? What are the skills or what are the tech stacks that are necessary to get into the data science field? Some of these questions are even controversial that even the experts have different answers based on the experience that they've gotten. But as data science aspirants, we know that data doesn't lie. So here's what we are going to do. In this video, we're going to analyze 1500 jobs from LinkedIn and we're going to answer 6 most unanswered questions in the data science field. Before any delay, let's get started. First, let's start with scraping jobs from LinkedIn. Let's scrape the titles which are similar to data scientists, like data scientist, associate data scientist, senior data scientist, predictive modeler, data scientist, computer vision, etc. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to just choose 2 locations, either United States or India, and few top cities from US and also India. Let our scraper run so that we can start analyzing the results. Finally, it is done. It took me more than 30 minutes to scrape 1500 jobs from LinkedIn. These are the jobs that we have scraped from LinkedIn. We can see that we have over 1500 data points here. Instead of analyzing this ourselves, let's give it to ChatGPT and ask the questions that we want answer for. You should need ChatGPT Premium if you have to upload a file and ask questions based on the file. Let's break the ice and answer the 6 most important questions in this data science field. Let's start with the first question. Is master's degree really necessary to get into a data science role? Master's degree or equivalent like MS, MSc are mentioned in 262 listings out of 1500 jobs that we have scraped. It appears to be a significant preference but not an absolute requirement, which means more than 1200 job roles doesn't require master's degree for you to apply for any entry-level data science role. So while master's degree is not a mandatory thing, it certainly boosts your profile, but our data suggests that it's not an absolute necessity for you to get into the data science field. Question number 2. Do I need experience to get into an entry-level data science role? From the 1500 jobs that we have scraped, the word years of experience is mentioned in 61 listings. The word experience is mentioned in 200 listings. Unfortunately, the word entry-level or no experience or a fresher has been only mentioned in just 4 listings explicitly, which means that in more than 1200 job roles, the word they are not explicitly mentioning this role is for fresher. At the same time, they are not even asking number of years of experience to join this role. Does this mean that it's easier for a data science aspirant to get into an entry-level data science role? Yes and no, considering your previous experience based on your projects and the things that you have done in your school or college. If you're just starting out and if you're struggling to get your first data science job, we have discussed more about how to get your first data science job if you don't have experience, and the 2 things that I've done to get my first data science job in this particular video. Make sure to check that one out once you're done with this video. Question number 3. Do I need any professional certifications to get into my first data science job? From the data that we scraped from LinkedIn, the word certified is mentioned only in 32 listings. While some roles may value certifications, they don't really seem to care about whether you have a certification or not. So it's not a primary requirement. Next question is, what is the average salary that I can expect for an entry-level data science role in India as well as US? The data that I scraped from LinkedIn is not enough to answer this question. So I think it's better if we can ask Glassdoor to answer this question because they might have compiled this answer with having more data points. So according to Glassdoor, on an average, a data scientist earns somewhere between $110K to $170K dollars per year in US. In India, an average data scientist salary is somewhere between 9 lakh rupees per year to 20 lakh rupees per year. Question number 5. What are the tools or tech stacks that I have to learn if I have to become a data scientist, and what is the industry expectations for the tools and tech stack? From the 1500 job roles that we have scraped, Python appears to be in 142 listings. Programming is in more than 200 listings, followed with SQL in 93 listings and Excel in 96 listings. Tableau, SAS, Hadoop, Spark, AWS, Azure, GCP also appear but less frequently in our data. Make sure to learn all these tools and tech stacks and add it on your resume to have a better chances to get an interview. Finally, the most important question, what skills are required to become a data scientist? Obvious thing that you can expect is machine learning. It is mentioned in 111 listings that we have scraped. But the surprising result that we have gotten here is the word AI or artificial intelligence is mentioned in around 200 job listings. I think in this ChatGPT and LLM era, even data scientists are expected to have some knowledge in artificial intelligence. Followed with data analytics in 34 listings, statistics in 68 listings, a data visualization in 42 listings, data mining and big data in around 19 and 23 listings respectively. I hope this video would have helped you to understand the expectations by the industry to become a data scientist, whether it can be whether you need a master's degree or not, whether you need an experience or not, what are the skill sets that are required to become a data scientist. If you're just starting to learn data science and if you're looking for your first job in data science, make sure to do these two things that I've covered in this video to get your first data science job. Thanks for watching this video. If you have found this video helpful, consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next one. Thank you.